Yeah,
just a little bit, just on my leg, please don't. No.
Only.
I'm gay, so.
What? Wait, what?
I tend to straight, but yeah. This is the closest a girl's been to me.
No, what? If I sat closer, what happened?
I don't know.
So today we're going to be working with Myfirstwigs, and here's what's in the box. So you get a comb, a little pouch that has lots of different stuff in it that's going to help you with your wig. It has an elastic band, it has hair clips, it has a wig cap, and the wig comes in this really nice bag. So to prepare the wig, I'm going to start by bleaching the knots and customizing the frontal. So this is what the wig customization looks like. So inside the wigs you have 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 on the back, but I did cut the 2 on each side off, and this is what the lace looks like. So I'm going to use some bleach that I got off Amazon. You can take a screenshot of it if you want to get the exact same bleach. You can get 40 volume developer if you want it to work a lot better. And I'm just going to place that all over the frontal. I made quite a thick paste so the bleach doesn't run through onto the hair, just to make sure the knots, which are basically the black dots on the lace, are bleached so the hair has a more natural look to it. Yeah, so make sure you have a very, very thick paste so that way you don't bleach the actual hair, and you focus just on the frontal portion of the hair. So I left that on for about 30 minutes and then I washed it off with some purple shampoo. You can take a screenshot of this purple shampoo, and what that does, it basically neutralizes any brassy tones that the bleach would have left on the frontal. Once that's done, this is what the frontal looks like. Now I'm going to tint the lace, and I'm going to tint the lace with this Rit dye. So I got 3 shades. You can take a screenshot again. I got all of these off Amazon. And I'm going to mix that all into a bowl with some hot water. I'm going to take a pinch of each Rit dye and some boiling water. I'm going to pour that in. I also saw someone use salt. I don't know what the salt does, but I just copied them because they know what they're doing. So to test that out, I'm going to take some excess lace and I'm going to dip it in the mixture to see what color it comes out as, and the color did match my skin quite closely, so I ended up dipping the whole the whole wig in there. So this is what the after looks like. I also went into tweezed and customized the frontal. I'm not a professional, guys, I just did what I could, and this is the after. With the tweezing, it's really just based on your hairline, and the tweezing never really stops. You basically customize the wig until it fits your head perfectly. Everybody's head is different. But anyway, moving on to tutorial portion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a special guest.
Hey everyone.
This is Dami, if you don't know. Dami, Signor Fenty, Damilola Adejon Wo himself. Today we're going to be, Dami's actually going to do my hair.
I'm quite nervous about this because, just FYI, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm a makeup artist, but not a hairstylist. I have no clue when it comes to hair.
So the hair we're going to be doing today would be from Myfirstwigs.
So guys, this is good because it comes with tamer, it comes with clips, it comes with frizzy stuff, it comes with everything.
So this wig that I've got on right now is 20 inches and it's a silky texture.
Let me read that, babe. So basically we've got a silky hair, which is amazing.
Do you think it's silky? Feel it?
Yeah, let me feel. Yeah. Not frizzy. We don't know, no frizzy hair here. Okay. So it feels silky, to be honest. So the hair is silky, it's 20 inches. The hair color is exactly the same as the picture. The cap size is size 1.
Okay, this, I'm not gonna lie, this cap size is very small for me. Okay. I think if you have a medium, like 22 circumference head, get a medium, because this is tight and I'm getting a headache.
She kept saying that it was tight.
And it's so tight that I haven't even like flapped the rest of it. I've only flapped the middle. I've only glued down the middle because it doesn't fit. So the wig is too small. So yeah, if you have a medium size head, like a 22-inch circumference, get a medium size or large size cap because it's too small.
So they have different sizes?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm quite scared because they're very hot tools right now and Dami's going to be dealing with my hair. So what do you think we should do first?
Well, what I'm doing is what I always see Kevin Shanti do. So we're just like preparing the hair. Just to prepare the hair for styling.
So how are you preparing it? What
just straightening it, because I thought that even though it was silky, I just thought it was a bit unorganized. So I'm just organizing the hair.
No,
yeah. babe, I'm your hairstylist. So what style would you like? Would you like it curly?
Yeah.
Would you like it silky?
I think I want to see it. I want it curled.
You want curls?
Just loose curls, just waves.
Okay. So I think curls, when it comes, it's like the eyeliner of hair. So curls that want to get this just stand still. Don't be, you know, doing too much with your hair.
Debbie, I don't know why you're being dramatic. This is not that deep.
Okay. So now I've got this. This is a curling machine. Okay.
A curling machine.
A curling machine.
A curling wand.
A curling wand. Yes.
Yep. Please do not. I beg.
I'm gonna bring your hair. Don't worry.
Don't bond me, please. Dammy, what the f...
It's like this, right?
Yeah.
I know it's good like this.
Dammy, it has a clamp.
Okay,
so you put the hair in the clamp.
Oh, so I need to...
Dammy, you need to section it first of all.
Okay, wait. So I think... Wait, you have
to... What is going on? No!
That's what I
Okay,
saw.
should I demonstrate it for you? Oh, okay, I think he does it differently.
Yeah, people do. It's a different technique. I don't know what technique you're used to.
Okay.
But that's the technique that I do.
So basically, you just take a little portion. Clearly you don't watch my videos, Dammy. Okay, you clamp it like this. And then you twist it. Well, you have to do it away from your face. I'm doing it the wrong way, but... And then you curl it. And then you hold it for a few seconds. I'm just doing it anyhow.
Okay, let me try.
And then you let go and it should...
Okay, so that's what the clamp is for.
Wow. I brought the hot comb, but I'm too scared for him to even use that.
But the hot comb you can also use to curl the hair, isn't it? Wait.
That's mostly for straightening, like the roots.
Gosh, this could be a bit complicated. Okay, so we're just gonna...
Clamp. Damn it, I can feel the heat in my ear.
Okay, just stand still, because if you're gonna not stand still, you can get burnt.
Okay.
So that's fine. So we're just gonna let that go.
What the hell was that?
Yeah. Ooh.
What's who?
No, babe.
What is this?
It just depends on everyone's different.
This is not coiled. This is piggy.
Well, anyways, the heat is really strong, guys. So just be keeping that in mind. Like,
what are you doing? You're turning the other. No, Dammy.
Be careful. Not burn your hand.
Turn this way. Yay!
See, Ropo, just be careful, babe.
And then turn this.
That way.
And then keep
turning. How do you guys do this? Seriously, how do you guys do this though? Let me just check, guys, so we can see that this hair is not even shedding whatsoever. Like, this hair is... Oh, be careful. Like, as I'm brushing it, it just feels like...
What about the frontal? Hair. What do you think about the lace?
Frontal is absolutely natural, guys. Like, I had to even do like a double check just to make sure.
Does it look like my scalp?
Babe, this looks as if your own hair. This looks like it came out of your own hair.
Okay. If you wanted to wear wigs, do you think you'd get something?
I would want a hair like this. What I like most about this hair is I love the color. Like, it's brown, so I feel like it's just natural. Like, because obviously everyone's hair isn't like black. It's like brown, so it looks brown, but then it still has a black in it. So it's just like a mixture of color, and I really like that, to be honest. And I love how the hair is styled.
Yeah.
I love how like the frontal is just sitting. It's not like, you know, because I've seen some frontals that look as if it's in your eyes. It shouldn't be in your eyes. Like, you can just tell that something's there. Whereas this frontal, as you can see, it just looks like, it looks natural. It just looks like it's her hair, like her hairline.
So the lace is a...
So the lace is a yes. So guys, this is lace. Get this lace, please. Okay. Yeah, the hair's really nice, to be honest. I actually quite like it. Ropo's known for amazing hair anyways. Like, every time I see her, she's just rocking different styles. Ladies, please get... What is this called now?
My first wig.
My first wigs, babe. It will not be your first. It will be your wig for your first, second, third, and your last one. Okay, it will be every wig for you.
Oh, my only issue is actually that I feel like this is my fault though. My cornrows, I braided them myself. I feel like the wig is on a slant.
I want to play with this one, to be honest.
Eh?
Yeah.
Damn it.
No, don't worry. Don't be scared. I'm not bearing.
Oh god.
I just want to play with this one, guys.
It's not toy.
I just want to see. I feel like this one's powerful. This one really make me
no, please. Okay, just do this side. Oh god.
So they make it really straight. Oh, well, you're giving me this one to do now. This
no, Dammy, you're supposed to. Well, basically, it's supposed to be for the root. It's supposed to be like this.
This is easy now.
No, but it's so close to
No, let me do this one. This one's easy. Okay, guys, let me do this one because this is actually what I can do.
Oh god.
I just want to play with styling hair. Yeah.
Excuse me.
I mean, I feel like Anthony Cuts right now, boy.
Is it going straight?
Wow, no, but this literally makes the hair look so silky.
Right, I have two products. Basically, the edge tamer that comes with it, similar to the one that I use already, the Care one, but I personally prefer the Care one. The Care one. So it's basically just to tame the flyaways on the top of my head. So you just put it on top and then use the comb to go over it. staying away. Like, can you see any hairs like flying away?
So this makes it like smooth.
Stay down, yeah. And then you go over it with a hot comb.
Okay, I get that. I like that. I think, can I use that on my hair? Because sometimes on my hair, I
want to
actually
straighten out your hair.
Just
I love how you're being so gentle.
yeah, because I don't want to burn you, babe.
Do you think it's taming the?
I like this taming thing a lot, guys. I think the only thing, guys, that I'm not sure, but I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know about hair, but it's just that I just see a lot of higgy. You know, I just see a lot of sticks up.
Yeah.
Even me,
do you have a lot of
hair, I get
flyaways
that as well. So I feel like every hair, that's normal though.
Yeah, yeah.
Every hair has that. Even my own
flyaways, yeah.
hair has flyaways, and this is all natural. So, do you know what I mean? So I think it's normal, but the tamer does make it
a bit better. But do you like the colour? Like the highlights?
The colour is definitely...
I think they did a good job with the highlights.
The colour is the best part of this whole thing, to be honest.
Yeah, I really do like the colour.
Really good.
But I will say, I do wish there was a little bit more hair on the wig. I just feel like...
Yeah, but you don't really tamer. My hands are just even making it down, to be honest.
Because this is all the hair you get on the wig. You can ask for more density. I'm not sure what density I got. But if you want more hair on the wig, if you prefer fuller hair. But this is more of a natural look. So yeah, this is Dami's work on my hair.
And what do you think?
Comment down below and tell me what you think.
Can you guys please book me to be your hairstylist?
No, I actually think you'd be good at frontals if you actually tried.
I know, I think I am.
If you just tried, I think Dami will slay a wig.
No, I think I'll be a good hairstylist. Even what I did to your hair, before it was looking a bit rough, now it's actually sparkling. I'll definitely not tamer did this job, to be honest, and the hair's just sharp. Do you know what I mean? You're looking good, girl, thanks to me. My first time actually doing the styling, and I did a pretty good job.
Yeah, you didn't do a bad job.
Thank you. So, Ropo, you need to be calling me to come and do your hair all the time now. So, bye-bye to Kelly, bye-bye to all these people.
Oh my God.
Dominique in the building.
Wow.
I'm joking, guys.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely check out the description box for more info on the hair and the wig. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.